Gee, I wish someone could make me look glamorous for the Christmas party. It would be nice to be the star for once.
Ho, ho, ho. Did someone ask for a Christmas miracle?
Santa? What are you doing here?
Every year I'm able to grant one Christmas wish. This year I'm going to make you a Christmas party star.
Are you a makeup artist? So Santa, you're gonna do my makeup?
Yes, I am. It is what you asked for, isn't it?
I guess. Have you done makeup before?
That is not important when it comes to Christmas magic.
Well, I did my own form of Christmas magic and I have all the makeup that I own right here for you. I think everyone wants to see what you do.
As do I.
I'm gonna help you though because I'm gonna put my hair back so we don't get makeup all up in my hair. It's freshly dyed, so go to town. Where are you gonna start?
Let's see. Don't you young kids usually need some sort of powder or foundation?
I mean, I could use a very stable foundation. That's neither here nor there.
Where are the pads? The sponges.
I don't actually have any sponges, but I do have an entire array of brushes for you to choose from. Like these.
So we start with the powder?
You can use your fingers or anything like that, but I don't actually own any sponges.
What kind of makeup person are you?
I'm not a makeup person.
That is not true. I have seen you with makeup on.
Santa, have you been watching me while I'm awake?
I watch everyone while they're awake and while they're sleeping. I never get breaks. I had to unionize recently. So what would you recommend? I mostly just bring the presents. I don't actually use them.
I mean, if your present to me this year is to give me a Christmas glam look for my Christmas party, then I think that it's all up to you.
I didn't think you would actually believe me.
I tend to be very
Some of
trusting.
my antics are for show.
Then
Although,
show me your makeup skills.
I should get you for copyright infringement.
I didn't say anything that was copyrighted. Just so you know. You can't come for me.
This one?
Is that foundation?
It looks somewhat like her skin.
Santa, you could probably also read what some of the things say.
It says Stiller.
What does the back say?
It says all over shimmer duo chatouille partout. It is also in French. It says kitten. No to the kitten. Highlighting powder. This
Do you
seems...
start with powder?
Why do you ask so many questions, child?
I'm just wondering, like, generally, I think I start with foundation.
All I found so far is kitten.
If you haven't noticed, I kind of arranged it in a slight order. Eyeshadow and powders, and then over here...
Santa's going to be good to you this year. You hope Santa helps you in return.
Are you gonna start with the eyeshadow?
You remind me of Mrs. Claus.
Was that a marriage proposal?
No, it was not.
So Santa, foundation's kind of like fake skin that we put on our skin to make our skin look better.
How about airspun loose face powder? Am I getting warmer, child?
Slightly. I might turn your head slightly more to the other side of the table that you haven't looked at yet.
Well, I'm sorry, I do not read from right to left. Small victories. Coverage foundation. Would you like ordinary? You want to look ordinary? Is that what you're telling me?
I mean, what are your options?
There's ordinary and more ordinary. There is also Amazonian clay. You seem like the Wonder Woman type. Perhaps you shall get some Amazonian clay. Merry Christmas!
Thanks, Santa.
Yes. feel the foundation?
I feel more sturdy already.
My technique is to let the Christmas magic flow through you. Do you feel it flowing through you?
Oh, I feel something.
Also, do you feel the foundation on your face?
I feel a lot of foundation.
Let's see. Perhaps you would like a little bit of powder
Sure.
to highlight and to accentuate your features.
I can be the shining star of this party.
That is what I said earlier, isn't it? What a callback.
So what parts of my face are the best to
Yes,
highlight?
see, Rudolph had a very shiny nose. I believe we're going to give you a shiny nose as well.
I mean, I have seen some beauty gurus on YouTube like go hard for the nose highlight.
Up your nose with
No.
the rubber hose.
I mean, I've never tried to inhale it. Are you trying to get me on drugs, Santa?
No, I
That's
do nothing
not
of the
family
sort.
friendly.
Also a little more. Right there. Get those cheeks shining. Like a Christmas Pikachu.
So if you see me when I'm awake and doing my makeup, do you know what I generally do?
I do not watch. Usually you are in the bathroom. I'm not a creep, you know.
So our only safety from Santa is the bathroom. That's what we have to learn today. So what are you looking for next?
I'm merely observing my options. Liquid liner. Are you ready?
Sure. Go for it.
Why is your eye twitching, child?
Because I'm just anticipating how beautiful you're going to make me.
Do not lie to me. Oh, it's deep. It's very dark.
I do only wear black eyeliner. Are you going for a rounded eye look, an anime eye look, a cat eye look?
We shall see when the finished product. Is there usually this much movement when you put on your makeup? Because I am receiving a lot of movement. Turn your head, child. When you only work one day out of the year, you'd never really have time for research.
What do you do for the rest of the year?
I bake. Well, we have to make this even on this side, don't we?
It's up to you.
Is it?
You're the one who came to fulfill my wish of being a glamorous Christmas star. I don't know if it's dry. I'm afraid to open my eyes.
There's some extra. There's some excess.
Well, did you know that makeup has things that are specifically for correcting mistakes?
Do tell.
Yeah, when you need to conceal things.
Concealer.
Yeah, that is a thing that people can use.
Who is NARS? Concealer. Let's try a bit of this.
Uh-huh.
That is not concealing at all. That is merely making it worse. Why would you lie to me, NARS? You're such a liar, NARS.
I'll never get a brand deal from NARS.
I really want to use
Then
Kitten.
use Kitten. Do what you need to do.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
On the forehead?
It is the only way I must test. You are my canvas, and Kitten is my paint. I'm not seeing much of this happening. You know, let's leave Kitten alone for a while. We are going to give you some festive colors.
Cool.
How about a nice green?
Why on my face? Am I becoming the Christmas tree?
We put green on that side, we must put green on the other. We are all about symmetry. I need more green.
I mean, this wouldn't be the first time that I put green all over my face. Link to that somewhere. Oh, am I the jolly green Pikachu?
You are now! Circles are nice.
Circles are shapes. I like shapes. Are we just doing a green look? Am I becoming the Grinch? I spend a little bit too much time with the Grinch
You spend a
recently.
little too much time asking questions and not letting the Christmas magic flow through you. Do you feel very Christmas magical?
I'm sure I will by the end of it.
Whoa! Prometheus, Aphrodite, Milky Way, and Sun.
I think we should do something like sparkly on the eyes.
On the eyes?
Like on the eyelids. To help accentuate the lovely eyeliner that you gave me.
Well, here it is, folks. Holiday glam.
Santa, for Christmas, can I have like a bold holiday lip?
Yes, I did not see any lip
Maybe
Lipstick.
you should check the Hogwarts trunk. Lipstick bee, Santa.
That sounded somewhat like crunchitize me, Captain.
Don't make
Why do
me
you laugh? Santa brings joy. He is a bowl full of joy, not just jelly.
I mean, the way you sound, it's a little bit like a bowl full of beans.
Yes, that is accurate.
Smells really good.
Well, I hope you like the Joker.
I've done that before too. In fact, on Instagram, you can find a lovely video of me as the Joker making fun of Batman.
Are you promoting on Santa's time?
Every time is a time for promotion.
Good girl. Still on the good list.
Thanks. Do I look lovely, Santa?
Yes, you always look lovely. And let it be shown that you do not need makeup to be lovely.
A public service announcement from Santa Claus.
But yet, that is not what you asked for.
No, I asked for a lovely makeover. If you want, some big brushes really help with that glowing, luminescent look if that's what you're going for.
You are going to loom all over the place.
I mean, I do that already.
Are you ready to loom, my child?
Yes. Help me loom, Santa.
Okay, too much looming. Let's make your nose shiny. Some of my favorite assistants had shiny noses. Rudolph likes to take vacation in inconvenient times.
Are you
Little
saying
known fact about him.
that I can help lead the sleigh?
Yes, you may.
Nice, does that mean I can fly?
All you need is a little bit of pixie dust.
There are pixies?
There's everything.
I feel like the cannon's getting so mangled.
I would like to make your cheeks more shiny. Give me the shiniest.
The shiniest?
Shine like the star on the top of a Christmas tree.
I mean, you've seen all my shiny. The only other shinies I have are shimmers.
Let's try to have some precision. Here it comes. Yes. Oh, the shine. David Bowie would be so proud of you. Little known fact. I guess it's only little known because no one dared to ask what kind of music I like. Instead of playing the same songs over and over, why not put on David Bowie? That's what Santa likes. Santa likes the Bowie.
So you're not a big fan of Christmas songs?
I should say they're no David Bowie, and I will leave it at that.
So am I becoming a Christmas Slytherin David Bowie?
You've seen through my vision. Shiny Christmas Xena Warrior Princess Pikachu Slytherin Warrior.
That's
I know
exactly
you like
my
the
vibe.
superheroes,
I do, and I love Xena and Pikachu and Snakes.
but you know what? For as much grief as he gives me with scheduling, Rudolph is good people.
Oh, yeah?
Why do you sound scared?
I'm not scared.
Do you want to pop out at this party? Or do you want to be in the corner where no one notices?
I want to be the one that they would write the Christmas song about, Santa.
Oh, then here it comes. Songs shall be written, ballads emerge. I also like the way your nose moves. It makes me chuckle. And apparently you as well.
I think what makes me chuckle is the feeling of powder going up my nose.
That has nothing to do with it. That is unrelated.
This must be what doing drugs through your nose feels like.
Santa knows nothing about that. Although do not ask him about the 80s. Those were an experimental time. Santa learned a lot about himself.
Was that when you hung out with David Bowie?
Unfortunately, I only got to meet him once. And by meet him, I meant I was in the nosebleed section at one of his concerts. But it was a
But
good
you got
time.
to go.
I did get to go. Nice man, I assume.
He had style. He had grace.
He's Miss United States.
And forever missed. What would you call this masterpiece that you made, Santa?
Xena Warrior Princess Pikachu Slytherin Warrior.
I like that.
Dare I say, if given the opportunity, you would slay?
Oh. Well done, Santa.
Yes! Gal, lady, you slay this year's party. Am I doing it right for the kids?
I know. Let's let them decide for themselves. Good luck? Yes? No? What's your thoughts? Best thing ever? Now see, Santa, I worry that this might be a little too much of a statement.
Oh, I was afraid you were going to say not enough, because we can always do more.
Actually, I don't know if you know this. I have a little magic of my own.
You do?
I do. I think we can take everything that you've done and make it the best that it can be. Not that this isn't the epitome of style, Santa.
I stand by my work, and I always have. Little known fact, children, there is music. Music. Why did I say music? I'm still stuck on David Bowie.
Well, I
Those
think
golden years, yes.
it looks even better with the style.
Magic may happen even when it's not Christmas.
Even when it's not Christmas.
Magic happens year round.
In the spirit of holiday cheer, Santa,
Yes,
I would love for you if you would be my date to this Christmas party.
I would love to. Just don't tell the missus.
So long as you don't tell my boyfriend.
Your secret is safe.
Alright, then let me get ready.
I must say, that is some very fine work there with your magic.
Well, thanks. You might say I have a little bit of that Christmas spirit all my own.
I would have to agree with you.
So, Mr. Claus, do you want to go party? You did a good job. The secret is out!
Ah, you didn't know it was underneath.